I would like to quote Mary Bain Ray. Begin doing what you want to do now. We are not living in eternity. We only have this moment, sparkling like a star in our hand and melting like a snowflake. It is January 1st, or it may very well be any day you see this video. But today is a new day, a new year, a new opportunity to reconnect to whatever we value the most. As the days roll one after another, it becomes ever more apparent that life is precious and fleeting. Our time here on earth is relatively very short. We may just easily take it for granted, but truly, what a treasure it is to be alive. We may not even realize it, but life is incredibly precious for each moment, each experience, each person in our lifetime is a gift. Let us allow ourselves to do what it is we want to do now. Let us allow ourselves to go out there and do the things we have never done, live the life we have never lived, and make the most of the life we have been given. Before we end our days, let us briefly pause and reflect to the following. What would you like to do more of? What skills and traits would you like to build? Who would you like to spend your time with? My love, your time is now. We are worthy of experiencing a meaningful and satisfying life here on earth. And I truly look forward to share these moments with you as we journey through life together. Although this video is very short, I appreciate from the bottom of my heart that you chose to spend these few minutes with me. I will connect with you on a daily basis, and I do hope you visit me again tomorrow or any other day that's okay for you, so that together we can reflect on what we value, on what truly matters. I look forward to spending my days, months, and years with you as we learn, grow, and connect each day.